Hi, welcome to my channel, Style for Life. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you a small unboxing of items that I recently purchased from the house of Hermès. But before we begin, I would like to take this time to thank all my YouTube friends who have reached out to me in the recent months to check on me to find out how I was doing. I so appreciate it. Most of you know that I have a loved one that's very ill, and some of you have just been wonderful. So thank you so much for your prayers, Miss Lynette, Melinda, Angela, Julia, some of my friends from Europe. I thank you so much. And a lot of my friends that reached out on Instagram as well to say, I haven't seen you for a long time. I hope everything's going well. I so appreciate your thoughts and your prayers. So without further ado, oh, did I say Julia? Yes, Julia as well. Thank you, Miss Julia. She checks up on me quite a bit as well. And Miss Lynette, I just simply love you. Melinda, I love you. I love you all. Thank you. All right, without further ado, I'm going to flip you around and show you what I recently purchased at Hermès. So recently, I purchased some more of these dessert plates because I am having a tea party coming up pretty soon. And so now I have, I think I want to say six of these dessert plates. I also picked up the sugar bowl from the Balcon, the teapot, and the creamer. So these are the items that I recently picked up from the Balcon line. They're absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to set the table with these beauties. I'll show you the box they came in. Now that is important, but the teapot came in this. This was for the sugar and the lid, and this was for the creamer. And so I just took them out, and I'm going to place them into my courier right here. This is actually where I have them currently. So carefully put back the teapot right here. And then I had the creamer. The sugar bowl right there. And then the creamer goes right here. So this is what it looks like in here. So I'm very happy to finally have the tea set in my collection so I can have my tea party. And as you saw, I do have the dessert plates right here, as I showed you. This is how it looks up close. And on the back, you will see, well, let me set that down for a minute before I break it. On the back, you will see that it has an inscription there. So yeah, this is what I recently purchased. So I'm going to flip you back around. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is a short video, and take care. God bless. Bye-bye.